Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm having some technical difficulties with my camera, unfortunately. For some reason, my SD card doesn't want to work and I've got an error message, so I'm not going to be able to record my video on my normal setup. I have a slightly different video for you guys, and it is an unboxing. For some background, I got this particular item to celebrate 1 year at my new job. Went through a lot of changes this past year, and I just wanted to give myself something really nice to motivate me to just keep going and elevate. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It's got Poshmark wrapping on it, but I actually got this from Depop off someone, and I'm not gonna lie to you, the price was like too good to be true. So it was definitely equal parts getting myself something nice, and then I feel like this was meant to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's in a nice big box. I think once I open it up and everything, y'all will pretty much know what it is, but I waited until I got home to unbox this. It came to my job, and of course when it came to my job I wanted to open it, but I was like, no, I want to share this moment with y'all. And this is what it's looking like so far. And here is the box. So yeah, it is from Louis Vuitton. Pre-loved, but Louis Vuitton nonetheless, you know, it's levels, there's levels. Oh, and the seller even sent me the bag, so I still have the shopping bag that it came with too. If y'all have ever wondered about what the Louis Vuitton shopping bags look like, let me see if there's anything else in the box. No. So here is the Louis box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, so it's open up flap style. Oh, I think this is magnetic. Yeah, I think this is magnetic. So yeah, open it up, and got a little dust bag here. This would have looked so much nicer on my nice camera, but it's okay. Here is the little lock and key for it. I don't know if y'all can see that in my MacBook camera, but we've got the lock and key. And considering that this was pre-loved, it's definitely in really good shape. No scratches or anything like that. Here's like the little card, I guess, that it came with. Yeah, she even sent me the receipt. Wow. So here is the little organizer that she sent with it as well to go in the bag. When I messaged the girl, she was like, yeah, I'll send you the organizer that it comes with too. And then what's in here? Let's see. Got a little card, another card. I'm guessing this was the wrapping that was around the box. If you're curious, it's all labeled Louis Vuitton. So I'm gonna definitely save all of this. What does this card say? Oh, it's just a blank card. I guess this kid, if you wanted to gift this to somebody, you could use this card to gift it. Maybe leave a cute little note. I'm gonna just slip this back in here. I know y'all are like, get to it, get to it. And here is the big old dust bag that it comes in. And then in the dust bag is this. And it is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. And this will be like my first luxury bag. Thank God it doesn't have a smell or anything like that. There are a couple little white swatches in it, but my God, is on the inside of the bag. No one's gonna notice. But yeah, I got myself a Louis bag, y'all. And I did want to initially get the Damier bean, but I couldn't pass up the deal on this. She was selling it for $1,000, you know, with free shipping. And that's better than the deal I would have gotten at the Louis store. And for my first piece, I thought, you know, why not go pre-loved? You're still balling on a budget, girl. You ain't got it like that quite yet. So this was definitely one of those things where, like, I wanted to treat myself to something nice to celebrate me having my first, like, big girl job, I guess you could say. So yeah, here is the organizer. This is what the organizer looks like. She threw this in extra. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can get this in the bag. It looks slightly bigger than the bag, but I reckon it'll help the bag keep structure. Also too, it's like I want to keep this bag in really good shape and take good care of it. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this in here. Bring y'all down a little bit. If you're curious about what's behind me, that's my rowing machine, because I gotta get slim and trim here. Just because I'm stuck inside doesn't mean I can't get my life together. I will say this, the canvas feels nice and soft. I never did look for the authenticity little tag thing. Where is that located in the bag? I don't know. Oh, here it is. So this bag is SD 2418, so I guess that means that the bag was made in the 24th week of 2018. So this is a 2-year-old bag, and this bag is in effing amazing shape. Let me just say that. And the bag organizer fits in here pretty darn good, if I must say, and helps the bag hold its shape pretty good. That's what it looks like inside of the bag. But yeah, your girl got a Louis. And I know you're probably thinking, wow, you're such a basic, but like, I don't know, there's just something about, you know, when you're working in like corporate America and these like little things that you can kind of do for yourself to kind of make you feel like you've made it in a way. And you know, I'm nowhere near where I want to be. You know, I was just at a place in my life where I was just like, I just want, you know, something, a little token of all the work that I'm putting in, and you know what I'm saying, how much further I have to go. If you're curious about the condition that the bag is in, there are a couple little imperfections. Like there's a little watermark here that's barely noticeable. You know, obviously there's a little wear on places, but this bag is beautiful. Yeah, I'm really excited. And you know, to have all of the, you know, packaging and everything still just makes it, you know, still feel special. It'll be obviously dope when I can just get one straight from Louis Vuitton. And obviously I have this goal to get, you know, the damier bean in some other style. But, you know, having this as my first one, just like I said, it just, you know, makes me feel like, you know, girl, you doing it. You're getting it together. And it's, you know, not a fake. And, you know, I got the receipt to prove it. The bag was bought at the Louis Vuitton store in Fort Worth, Texas in 2018, which totally goes with the, you know, manufacture date and everything. And I just feel good that I could treat myself to something like this, and just something to keep me motivated, keep me going and everything. I've recently gotten into luxury. You know, I love sneakers and stuff like that, but just I'm in my 30s now, and I just wanted to do something different. And I don't really do a lot for myself. I don't really, you know, because of COVID, can't go many places or do anything. But yeah, man, this feels good. You know, I'm very happy with it. Obviously, I don't want this to be the last bag. I'm not gonna lie to you. It just, like I said, motivates me to want to go out here and get it so that I can do these kinds of things for myself whenever I feel like it. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoy luxury stuff, you know, besides the skincare and everything else that I have going on in the channel, expect more stuff like this. I'm definitely going to be probably doing a lot more pre-loved stuff, but there will come a day where I get something brand new. I don't know when that day will be. Maybe it's soon, maybe it's later, but for this to be my first piece pre-loved, 2 years old, she looks good, you know? She looks good. Okay. But yeah, if you like this video, let me know by, you know, liking the video, giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, and leaving a comment. And until next video, peace.